I am here again trying ASMR. You know, I've done quite a few ASMR videos, and you know, it's funny because I'm always like, I tried ASMR part 350. It's just a little series like I tried ASMR or whatever. My ASMR voice is like cracking. You know, like you whisper, but sometimes you're like, that's what happens sometimes. Let's get into it. Oh my god, you guys, I have been seeing these on Jelly. I have been seeing these fruit jellies all over TikTok for months now, actually. Months. I'm a little late on this trend, but I've seen it all over TikTok everywhere. I have seen everybody try it, and they look so cool. Oh, is it gonna like choke me? We made some churros, and these are actually churro bites. Look at how good these look, you guys. They look amazing. We made balls, and that is actually because we tried to make, you know, the regular ones, and this is what we were coming out with. They just look like little pieces of poop. Dang, these are good. Wow. Ooh, oh my god, this one is literally dough inside. Okay, we have some ice. We got a little gummy bear. Oh. It's cold. I have sensitive teeth. This is actually delicious because these are made out of Kool-Aid. That hurts. Cold. Getting a brain freeze. It's too cold. It's too cold. Yeah. Oh my god, these taste like bolis. If you guys are Hispanic, do you know what a boli is? It's basically just like flavored ice, literally. It hurts so bad. It's like stuck in my molars, and I'm like, That was not the monster sound effect. That was actually my voice. Next up, we have some Kinetic sand. I literally can't get it out. Wow. Oh my god, look how beautiful she is. Why did I do that? We got more sand. These are actually edible nails. We made them out of Jolly Ranchers. Hi. You funny girl. Oh, my nails are short now. No. Ooh. These nails were such a fail. Oh my god, my hands are sticky, so sticky. Do you hear that? Sticky the city girls. What's wrong with me? Ow. Oh, this is a hot Cheeto that I made. I made this hot Cheeto and I actually have a video on it. Go watch it. It's called DIY Trying Hot Cheetos. Let's do it. Okay, so we have these jelly sticks. So you take this, oh, you slurp it out. How's that? Oh. Okay, y'all, it's happening. I'm gonna go in for the kill. Wow, my stomach hurts. Just as every other ASMR video, I ate a lot of sugar. She needs some water. I gotta go to the bathroom. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And comment down below, which one would you like? Wait. I'm shipping them out to you. I'm just kidding. I'm tired. Comment which one you thought was most satisfying. Stop. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. I gotta go to the restroom. I'll see you guys in the